I'm Patrick Elminger, the inventor of the quick fast panel lifter, and I'm here to explain to you how did I came up with this idea. I was working in drywall, as such I've been doing for 40 years, and when I got to a point then I couldn't lift the sheet up the walls, then and holding them and screw them to the wall at the same time, then I had to, because they don't want you to use the nails anymore, so I couldn't do it. So I had to figure out a way to bring the sheet up to the ceiling without big effort. And the problem is too, is when you don't have a partner, it's very hard to do it by yourself. So that's what I came up with, this idea, with using the drill, the rechargeable drill, to bring the sheet up with the little cable and the wrench. And it become, after few tries, 3 or 4 tries, then we came up with the right machine to do this. Okay?